Welcome to another Simple Dad Threads tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see someone's following list on Threads. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're scrolling through your Threads app and you want to see the following list of a user on Threads, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Threads app. You want to now browse through Threads and find the username where you want to see the following list. So for example, this one here, go ahead and tap on the username at the top. Now, once you're on the profile page, you want to go ahead and tap on the followers where it says 35.7k followers. Go ahead and tap on that. This will now bring up the followers and the following list. From here, you can go ahead and see all the followers that are following this user. If you tap on the following list, you'll see all the users the user is following. So there you go. That is how to see someone's following list on Threads. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.